What's going on, everybody? My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to do a uke play along for Make You Feel My Love. So let's go ahead and jump into the song. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there's no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. There's no doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. We did it.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniela. Today we're going to review these diapers. I'm wearing them in size 1. We're wearing these diapers because Daddy said we had enough. Mama said let's pack more. Daddy said there are 6 in the diaper bag. Do you think that 6 is enough for me? No. So, these diapers that I'm wearing here are emergency ones. I don't even know what brand they are. Last night, I peed and I wet my onesie and my sleeper and the bed. Not my bed, the hotel bed I'm lying on right now. Also, diapers have a little yellow line that turns blue when they're used. Do you think these turn blue? No.